Wuling Bingo S's pre-sales began on August 24, and the price range with 4 models is 68,800 to 81,800 yuan. The third model of the Bingo family, the new vehicle has a more refined aesthetics than the previous model. Inspired by the Gilder shore at sunset, the design of Wuling Bingo S uses fluent light and shadow, including the golden ratio. The general design follows the 1.0.618 gold spiral with a dynamic posture for the vehicle. Comfortable gray, free and easy purple, free and easy blue and white, offered in 4 colors. Wuling Bingo S, BASF's first-class paint coating, 8-layer volcano coating process and 2K varnish. In terms of special design, the sports car style is matched with the front face, the closed front, while the entire series includes standard wing-style LED headlights on both sides, trapezoidal chromium trim strips at the bottom and black 3-dimensional air channel design on both sides. It has a 5-door and 5 seats, is 4,265 mm long, 1,785 mm wide and 1,600 mm high, and has 2,610 mm axle distance. The two-tone collage design is equipped with green sunshade, 16-inch two-tone low-friction wheels and chrome side strips. On the back of the vehicle, the pulsar ring-type stop lamps with red sources and pulse forms on both sides are used, and the headlights extend like a horizon line. These lamps, which can be easily recognized in the dark, reflect technological elegance and distinguished fashion. The interior focuses on the aesthetics of calm and luxurious life, offering a cabin order that adopts and surrounds the philosophy of spatial healing. The fluent lines create a spacious and transparent visual experience that allows users to quickly enter a relatively silent and special area as soon as they open the door. It offers soft white and warm brown interior color options. Inspired by the feeling of waking up in the morning light, the soft white interior offers a peaceful atmosphere by evoking the Scandinavian minimalist aesthetics. The warm brown interior reflects the fluent texture of the golden sand under the sinking sun and offers a luxurious fashion understanding. The vehicle has a 3D wooden texture inspired by the patterns of Geneva clocks. Wide soft leather upholstery and bright chrome details improve the quality of the interior. The air curtain integrated into the vehicle is integrated with the middle console and provides a soft airflow. The vehicle has a 8.88-inch full LCD embedded beam panel and a high-resolution touchscreen with a high-resolution screen, and these features provide easy access to road conditions, entertainment, and other information. The vehicle computer, which works with the Qualcomm 6125 chip, offers a clear image and supports the 3 main connection protocols: HiJar, CarLink, and CarPlay. In addition, DeepSeek and Lingyu Assistant 2.0 integrate 95% communication accuracy. Canton, Sichuan, Kongsing and Fensi, such as many dialects, and offers a 0.3-second response time. The main unit of the vehicle also supports the personalizable modes of S-Class. Modes such as coming to work, camp, confectionery, pet use and comfortable journey offer a single touch according to your needs. There are 6 speakers as standard as the vehicle and Alchemy's sound effects, virtual subwoofer support and 3-dimensional sound quality. Engineers also implemented the NVH acoustic noise reduction system in 33 positions throughout the vehicle. The seats have a soft, shell-like design and a high security seat frame, which the company claims to provide effective protection for passengers of all ages. With its total contact area exceeding 200.000 mm superscript 2 and double hardness sponge material, the seats are designed to adapt to the folds of the body to provide support between softness and support. The vehicle has 25 user-friendly storage spaces. The middle console has an innovative and flexible island with dual cup holder and standard 50W air-cooled wireless phone charger and allows you to easily store your coffee, phone and small items. Magic hooks and integrated door handle storage compartments are designed to store your small daily items. The luggage has a burial design that expands to 1450 liters to meet various storage needs when the rear seats are folded. It is equipped with a front motor with a maximum of 75 kilowatts and equipped with 31.9 kilowatt-hours and 41.9 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery packages. In CLTC conditions, Pure electricity range is 325 kilometers and 430 kilometers, respectively. Source: Koto.